Hello and welcome to the Cubanas TV, a news channel that keeps you updated on everything going on in the country. Welcome once again, my people. Sit tight as you're about to be updated on what is going on in Nigeria. Note that here at Cubanas TV, we keep you updated on everything happening in every sector of Nigeria. From politics to religions to academics to business to sports, entertainment, music, movies, we keep you updated on everything going on in each sectors because we want you to be carried along in whatever is going on. So if you are yet to subscribe to the Cubanas TV, do well to click on the subscribe button now, right there in front of you, and be subscribed. And don't forget to turn on your post notification so that you will be notified whenever we make a post, because when you do, YouTube will immediately automatically notify you that the Cubanas TV has made a post, and that way you'll be able to follow through with our post for that day. Let's listen to the news headline for today. Some of the people you have sent to Senate have not coughed since they got to the Senate. Dokubu to Wiki. We bring you news from the politics today. Sit back and relax as we give you the full gist. Rivers State Labour Party chairperson Hilda Dokubu has taken to social media to inform Minister of the Federal Capital Territory FCT Abuja Nyesom Wike that the set of senators he allegedly sent to represent Rivers State in Nigeria Senate are yet to make themselves known to their people. Hilda Dokubu, who made such statement through her official Instagram account, reacted to Minister Ike's statement to Senator Ireti Kingibe with regards his performance in Abuja since his assumption into office. According to the Veteran Action Minister, Nyesom Wike is supposed to respect the office of Senator Ireti Kingibe because she was elected into such office, adding that the Senator Ireti Kingibe has introduced several bills since she became a senator to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. However, Hilda Dokubu, on speaking to the minister, Nyesom Wike, stated that some of the people that he sent to the Senate have not coughed since they got to the Senate. In her words, Hilda Dokubu mentioned, Oga, do you remember how many people you sent to the Senate? Some of them have not coughed since they got to that Senate. Some of them have not even introduced themselves. Rivers people do not even know who they are, but they are senators. They are sitting down there. We are waiting to hear them introduce themselves. Pot calling kettle black. So this was a sarcastic reply to Wike as regards the fact that he's against Kangibe speaking out and saying that she's not involved in everything that is going on. So she's coming out to say that the people that he has put there, they've not heard anything from them since they became senators there. But the one that is talking, he's attacking them, and it should not be so. Wike should know that Kingibe is the senator of the FCT, and she was not just appointed, she was voted in by the people, and so as that she represents the people, and she should be allowed to know what exactly is going on within the FCT. And that is the news for today. Let me know what you think about this news in the comment section. What are your thoughts? What are your observations? Let us know what you think about this news. Your opinion matters to us. We want to know your thought about this news. We want to know what your observations are. We want to know what your opinions are. So please comment below in the comment section your thoughts, your observations, and your opinions about this news. Don't forget that this is the Cubanas TV, a news channel that keeps you updated on everything going on in Nigeria, in every sector in Nigeria. So if you are yet to subscribe, do well to click on the subscribe button right now, right there, so you can be subscribed to the Cubanas TV. Don't forget that it is important that you turn on your post notification so that whenever we make a post on YouTube will immediately automatically notify you that we've made a post, and in so doing you'll be updated and you'll be able to follow through. Don't forget to like this video, comment on this video, share this video, and subscribe to this channel. Once again, thank you for tuning in, and see you